Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain distributive determiners. All, both, one, each, every, neither, either, other, another, enough, most, several are called as distributive determiners because they determine a group or an individual within a group. Let's see how they are used. First, we take all. All can be used before a countable noun as well as uncountable noun. For example, all prisons cannot be treated in the same manner. All information about the new product is confidential. In first sentence, prisoners, which is a countable noun. In second sentence, information, which is an uncountable noun. So, we use all with countable noun and uncountable noun. One more important thing you have to remember. When all is used with plural countable noun, it requires a plural verb. For example, all the people in the room were silent. In this sentence, all is used with the people, which is plural countable noun. So, it requires were, which is plural verb. When all is used with uncountable noun, it requires a singular verb. For example, all that glitters is not gold. In this sentence, all is used with glitters. Glitters means chamak, which is uncountable noun. So, it requires is, which is a singular verb. All also can be used with plural pronouns. For example, all of us are hoping for good news. He scolded all of you. All of them had a story to tell. In these sentences, us, you, them, which are plural pronoun. Here one thing you have to remember, when all is used with plural pronouns, the preposition of is used before that pronoun. When we say all us, it will be wrong कि यदि हम ऐसे कहते हैं all us तो यह गलत हो जाएगा. हमें क्या कहना है? All of us, all of you, all of them. Next up, use of both. Both is used to talk about two person or things of the same kind. Both can be used alone or followed by a noun. For example, both won the bronze medal. Both the players won the bronze medal. Both sentences are correct with noun or without noun. Next examples. This job will be good for both of you. Both of them like this soup. When both is used with an object pronoun like you, us, them, the preposition of is added before that pronoun. जैसा कि इन एग्जाम्पल्स में है both of you, not both you, both of them, not both them. Next examples, it was both dull and boring. He is both a preacher and a reformer. In first sentence, both and indicates a combination of two adjectives, dull and boring. In next sentence, both and indicates a combination of two nouns, a preacher, a reformer. Next up, use of each and every. Look how we use each and every. We use each when the number in the group is limited or definite. जब हम ग्रुप में लिमिटेड नंबर की बात करते हैं तो हम ईच का यूज़ करते हैं. बट एवरी इज़ यूज विद द नंबर इज़ इनडेफिनिट और अननोन. For example, each student in my class is improving. Every student in the school is present today. In first sentence, I know the number of the students of my class. So here, number of students is limited and definite. So each is used here. In second sentence, I don't know the number of students in the school. So here, number of the student is indefinite or unknown. So every is used here. One more point here. Both each and every are used with singular countable noun and they take singular verb. We use each with plural nouns also, but it is used by adding the preposition of. बट नॉट एवरी कि एवरी को हम ऑफ के साथ यूज़ नहीं करते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ईच ऑफ द टू बॉयज़ हैज़ वन द प्राइज. ईच ऑफ द गर्ल्स इज़ प्रिटी. नेक्स्ट अप, यूज़ ऑफ अनदर एंड अदर. वी यूज़ अनदर only with singular countable nouns when we talk about an additional person or thing of the same type, whereas other is used with plural nouns. For example, he is going to trip with another friend. He is going to trip with other friends. Do you have another room available? Do you have other rooms available? In these sentences, another is used with friend, room, which are singular countable noun, and other is used with rooms, friends, which are plural noun. But sometimes we use other with uncountable noun. For example, I have some other information. Next up, use of most. Most indicates nearly all of a group or amount. कि एक ग्रुप और अमाउंट में नियरली सभी को इंडिकेट करता है most. For example, most of the people can be trusted. Most of time I am not at home. Most farmers are still using the old methods. Next, use of several. Several is used with plural noun. It refers to number which is not very large, less than most. For example, several people lost their lives in the tsunami. I had seen her several times before. There were several reasons for this. Next, use of enough. Enough is used before uncountable noun and plural noun. For example, the library had enough space for all the books. In this example, space, which is uncountable noun. They don't have enough books. In this sentence, books, which is plural noun. Last one is either and neither. Either has two meanings. First, any of the two different persons of things, कि किसी दो person और things में से किसी एक की बात करना. For example, you can take either bus. It means any of the two buses, कि दो buses में से कोई भी एक you can take. Either book can serve my purpose equally well. It means any of the two books, कि दोनों books में से कोई एक book. Next, the both. It means दोनों की बात करना. For example, they stood on either side of the bed. It means both side. Trees have been planted either side of the road. It means both side of the road. Next, neither. Neither is the opposite of either. It means not the one nor the other. कि दोनों में से कोई भी नहीं. For example, it was not a good match. Neither team played well. कि कोई भी टीम अच्छा नहीं खेली. I found neither of the two recipes easy. It means दोनों रेसिपीज में से कोई भी रेसिपी ईजी नहीं थी. I hope you understand very well distributive determiners. Keep practicing, my students. Thank you so much.